If you're a black contractor in Chicago right now and you're not using AI, you're working harder than the guy down the street who is. And he's booking the jobs you're missing. Today, I'm going to show you the 7 things AI can do for your business right now. Most are free, none of them need tech skills. And number 4, you're probably paying somebody else to do right now. Let's get into it. Number 1, AI can build you a professional website from your phone photos. You take 10 pictures off your last few jobs, hand them to AI, and it writes the descriptions, lays out the pages, and builds you a portfolio site that looks like a $3,000 build in one afternoon. That's the same thing agencies are charging contractors thousands for. You can do it yourself. Number 2, AI answers your leads the second they come in. A lead messages you while you're on a roof. Normally that sits for hours. Set up an AI text back and it fires off automatically. Got your message. When works for a look. Lead stays warm. You never touch the phone. Number 3, one photo becomes your marketing. You finish the job, take one picture, AI turns that into a review request to text the customer and a post for your Google profile. That's how you climb the map and show up when the next person searches your trade in your area. Number 4, this is the one you're paying somebody for. Estimates, invoices, scopes of work. Instead of sitting at your kitchen table at night, typing them up, or paying an office person to just tell AI to draft it. It takes minutes. You send it the same day. Most contractors take 3 days to get back with the number. You just beat them to the punch. Quick one. Drop your trade in the comments. Let me know what you do. I want to see who's listening. Roofer, remodeler, where are you at in the city? Number 5, AI answers questions when you can't. Half your missed jobs are just people asking a simple question at 9 p.m. Do you do free estimates? Do you service my area? A simple AI responder answers that instantly, day or night. So they book you instead of scrolling to the next guy. Number 6, AI writes what gets you found. Your Google business profile and your service descriptions are what put you on the map, literally. AI writes them with the right keywords for your trade and your neighborhoods, so you show up when somebody nearby searches. And it's free, and most contractors will never touch it. Number 7, this bridges into retargeting. And this is the big one. I'm actually going to make a whole video about it. 90% of people who hit your website leave without calling. AI helps you write that ad and set up retargeting so your name follows them when they leave your website until they're ready to buy. As I said, I'm doing a whole video on it. Here's the thing nobody tells you. It's not about any single one of these tools. It's that AI lets a one-man crew run like a company with a full office behind them. That's efficiency. That's how you move forward. You answer faster. You look bigger. You follow up like you're one of the big guys. When it's just you. And the contractor who answers first usually wins the job. Not the cheapest, not the best, the fastest. AI makes you the fastest and for free. That's 7. Pick one. Set it up this week. Start with the website or the follow-up text. My next video, I'm breaking down the retargeting side step by step. Follow so you can catch it. This channel is looking out for the contractors out there, more specifically, the Black contractors who are out there working hard, looking for work. I want you to use technology, stay efficient, stay moving forward. I'll see you on the next one. And if you like my content, come on back.